Hello friends, today we are going to read Big Dinosaur, Little Dinosaur by Devin and Wooster. Let's start. Big dinosaurs, little dinosaurs, dinosaurs at work, dinosaurs at play, boy dinosaur, girl dinosaur, scared dinosaur, brave dinosaur, dinosaurs above, dinosaurs below, sad dinosaur, happy dinosaur, large dinosaur, small boy, dinosaur reaches high, dinosaur reaches low, loud dinosaur, quiet dinosaur, bad dinosaur, good dinosaur, family of dinosaurs. The end. I hope you love this book, friends. See you next time with a different book. Bye bye.